Welcome to my lifestyle channel. Can you hear it? It is raining outside. Well, let's start. Somewhere I read a quote, if you cry, no one cares. But if you are delighted, many will be jealous of you. That's why, to avoid the lenses of pessimism, let's be practical and not to share everything with everybody. That's why my today's topic is what not to share. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. As we are living in the age of internet, we don't have anything about private about ourselves. I'm not talking about secrecy, it is about privacy. Something we share by ourselves and something others don't let us to be private. Anyway, to avoid unnecessary assumptions and reactions, there are certain things we shouldn't share with others. And that's why in three things or three situations what not to share, I'm going to tell you. One is your financial status, two is your past failure, and three is your next move. So let's start with number one, your financial status. If you are wealthy, no need to be arrogant with others, right? People don't like arrogance, I'm rich, I have so much things. Or others will be jealous of you. Or you have scarcity of money. Unless you tell to the person who can do something about it, if you are going and crying in front of everybody, so those people, they are not going to do anything. There are two types of people. One, they can do something for you. Other type of people, they will just hype the story and spread rumor about you. That's why it is, I am not talking anything about it is a hush. It is about what to share with whom and not to share everything with everybody. Now coming to number two, what not to share, your past failure. You must be saying that yes, sometimes in our life we need to share some anecdotes to explain some situations. But again, as I said, that we need to use our wisdom with whom we are sharing, what is the situation, because there are some people, whatever you say, your success or failure, if they are detractors, they are going to spread something. But let me give one example. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba and many other companies, in many of his speeches, he was saying that he applied 10 times to Harvard University and he didn't get through. Again, he applied for a waiter job, he didn't get that. There are so many other jobs he was telling. But when he became the Jack Ma, he got an invitation to go and give a speech at Harvard University. So now he can say that. But you must be saying that okay, nobody can reach to that position. That's why in our everyday life we should know that you have to sometimes we can do mistakes, but we try to. That's why I'm making this video. We try not to share everything with everybody who has nothing to do with it, to avoid this unnecessary assumptions. Now coming to number three, what not to share, your next move. Again, you must be thinking that many people, they write it down, they just declare in front of everybody, I am going to do this, I am going to do that, and they do that. Yes, but that is not for everyone, at least not for me, because what happens, it is even some people, they are not jealous of you, but everybody will have curiosity and everybody has their own opinions and comments about you. Suppose you are telling that I will go somewhere, or I am buying something, I am doing something, it is like if you are making a premature declaration, then sometimes what happens, other people's opinion on comments may demoralize you to do whatever you want to do, or you might not do that thing. That's why I think you shouldn't, not I think, many places you shouldn't share your next move with everybody. Again, I'm telling that it is not a hush hush, but it is a secrecy. It is about not to share everything with everybody. Everybody has not to not everything to do with it, right? That's why I will summarize it again, what not to share with everybody. Number one is your financial status, number two is your past failure, and number three is your next move. I hope this video will be useful for you, this topic, and give a thumbs up to my channel. And you are not doing that, so please do that. And don't forget to share this with as many as people you do, and write down your comment in the comment box. That's why I know that how much you like or you dislike it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.